Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Darshana. So as you know from the title, today I'll be trying out some hack videos which are very much viral and trendy nowadays all over the internet. I've been watching this hack video since a very long time, but every time I was like delaying कि नहीं कभी और try कर लूँगी तो I haven't tried it yet. So today I thought कि नहीं मुझे I want to make a video and I want to try out this hack videos which I find so much interesting and so much funny at the same time. और मुझे देख के ऐसा लगता है कि ये काम करेगा भी या नहीं. Let's try it out together. And those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much guys. It means a lot to me. And those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe guys, because I will be making more such interesting funny hack videos, DIY videos, fashion videos and different kind of videos for you guys. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, let's begin with our first hack, which is let's find out it will work or it will not work. So for that you will be needing one almond and a lighter, or you can take any diya or anything also. You burn the almond with the lighter. So now let's see. If you are not an adult, then I would recommend you to take the help of someone, as it might be a little risky. So you see this is burned, so I have an angular brush with me. Let's see if there is any kind of pigmentation here. थोड़ा सा आ रहा है, but it's not much. Let me try once again. First time तो काम नहीं किया. Let's see if I might have done it little wrong. So let's see. Okay, अभी आया. Okay, now let me draw one eyeliner with it. But this is little hot, so be careful. Yeah, as you can see, the pigmentation is very less. I thought I will put my liner with this almond, but ये hack मेरे पे काम नहीं. Guys, try if it works out for you, then let me know if there is another technique. क्योंकि ये hack तो बिल्कुल fail हो गया मेरे लिए. It didn't work out, so I will give 0 out of 10 because you can see the color have faded. So now let's move on to our next hack. We will be needing one Vaseline and we will fix our baby hairs. As you can see, मेरा बहुत baby hair है, अभी ऐसे उड़ रहा है. So let's fix it. So I am taking Vaseline on my finger and I will apply on the baby hairs which are flying, as you can see. I guess it's working guys. What do you think? Wow, this is working. Okay fine, अब से hair spray लगाना बंद. Now तो I'll use my Vaseline fully here, working perfectly. But let's see ये कितना time तक रहेगा. Okay, I will wait for some time and I'll let you know if it works or not. For every hack which I will try, I will wait for a few minutes and I'll just see it is working properly or it's not working. Okay guys, let's move on to our next hack and let's see if it works or it doesn't work. So now let us try this hack. अगर ये hack काम करेगा then it will be the best. अगर एक lipstick से ही आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, क्योंकि every girl owns one lipstick. So अगर इससे आप अपना basic every makeup you can do, then I guess it's better. So I'll be applying my lipstick here. Let's see. Okay, and on my cheeks and also on the lips of course. But lips के लिए एक और hack है, so वो देख के हम लोग apply करेंगे. So now you have to just rub it with your fingers and also use a brush. You have to blend this one properly. I use my finger only. So let me blend it with my brush, तभी अच्छे से blend हो पाएगा. Oh wow, it's working. Can you see? Okay guys, how do I look? I guess you can try this one. Do let me know if you will try this hack, because I really like this hack. This hack I'll give 10 upon 10. Oh, and the Vaseline wala hack is also working, because you see my baby hairs are not coming out again. So for this hack also I'll give 10 on 10. Let's move on to our next hack. Okay, so now let's try this hack. So बहुत लड़कियों का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि लिपस्टिक लगाने पे यहाँ पे कभी कभी लग जाता है. मेरा भी लग जाता है कभी कभी. I hope that this works. So you just need one earbud. Okay, you have to put this earbud on your mouth. Wow, this is actually nice. Can you see? कहीं पे भी कुछ भी नहीं लगा है. This is really looking nice. you can use this hack. Let's move on to our next hack. और ये hack को भी मैं 10 on 10 देना चाहूँगी because this is really very nice. मेरा एकदम अच्छे से लिपस्टिक लग गया है, तो I am very happy with this hack. Okay, this is for those girls who find it difficult to apply bronzer. So let's try. So I have my tweezer and I will apply here थोड़ा सा bronzer. What do you guys think? I guess it's looking nice only. पर ये waste of time होगा अगर आपको आता ही है bronzer कैसे लगाना है. तो yeah, if some of you have a little problem in applying bronzer, then I guess you can use this hack. This hack was also not bad, it was nice, so I'll give this one 9 upon 10. Let's move on to our next hack. Okay, so this hack will be useful for those girls who are a little scared of applying mascara. So I have one spoon with me, so now let's see if this works or not. Yeah, as you can see, most of the mascara's product यहाँ पे लग गया है. I guess this hack works perfectly because I don't know camera में कितना आ रहा है, but my eyelashes are looking nice. So I guess this is a good hack which you can try. So this hack also I'll give 10 on 10. Now let's move on to our next hack. So now let's color our hair. Let's see if this color stays or it doesn't stays. So I'll be taking this pink color lipstick. If you want to color your hair just for one day or for a photo shoot, then I guess it will work. So let's try. I'm taking this part. See, the color is changing. The color of my hair is becoming pink. Wow. So guys, अब मेरे पास pink hair है. Do you like my pink hair? What do you think? Is it cool? But I don't think so. It will stay for long क्योंकि ये मेरा हाथ में बहुत आ रहा है. As you can see, my white top will become pink now, I guess. I'll give this hack 5 upon 10 because I don't think so. You want to apply your lipstick all over your hand. The minute I am touching this one, it is becoming pink. So this is how my tissue paper looks. This hack was not at all practical because you can't go anywhere putting this on your hair and it will stick around everywhere. Let's move on to our next hack. For this hack, you just need one Vaseline and a kajal. So every time when I also want to apply my kajal, तब ये dry हो जाता है. फिर I have to rub it all over again and again. अगर ये hack काम करेगा तो this will be really useful for me. Let's try it out together. So as you can see, this is like, देखिए ये फिर से dry हो चुका है. I have to rub it so much time. So now let's put some Vaseline. Oh wow, this is looking nice. See? You can see this is very easy to apply after you put some Vaseline. It becomes like a gel liner. So yes, you can use this, and this hack I will give 10 upon 10 because it is so easy to apply. I guess all the hacks are working except that almond wala hack which have not worked, which have worked zero for me. I don't know why. So far I'm really enjoying trying these hack videos with you guys. Do let me know if you are also enjoying as much as I am enjoying these hack videos. Okay guys, so now let's move on to our next hack. So for this hack you will be needing one eyeshadow brush and one eyeshadow. You can see मैं अपना brush भिगा के लाई हूँ. Apply a dark shade today. So I'll be applying this purple because I love purple. You can see here. So now let's apply. Wow, this is actually working. Let me remove my makeup, then I guess it will be more prominent because now I have so much makeup on. Okay guys, I'm back. I have removed all my makeup as you can see. कुछ भी नहीं है अभी. See, the pigmentation is so nice. Oh my god, I'm really loving. I hope you guys can see this one, how pretty it is looking. अब ये brush भिगा के आप try करना, it will really look so pretty and also you can create different looks. आजकल जो ये the people are applying multiple eyeshadows ना, so you can also use this. Let me just try once again. I'll apply with different color. Let us try how it looks. सबको brush साफ कर लेना पड़ेगा. So let us take this dark blue वाला color and see how it looks. I hope so it looks nice. Oh my god, this is looking so nice. Can you guys see, this is looking so nice. Up se to I'll try this hack only because I really love it so much. This hack I'll give 10 upon 10 because this is my favorite hack. On to our next hack, which is again an eyeshadow hack. So let's see. I'll clean up this eye and I'll try it here. क्योंकि मुझे सारे आँख में डिफरेंट कलर्स चाहिए, तब डिफरेंट वाइब्स आएंगे. ये वाला हैक हम ट्राई करेंगे, दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ टिश्यूज. यस, टिश्यूज. लेट्स सी how this one turns out. I am scared because I don't know how this will turn out. Let's see. So I'll be taking orange. What should I take? Green. So yeah, green. And then yellow. Yellow is my favorite. But yellow बहुत light है. Let's see. Now you have to rub this all three together on your eyelids. So let's see how it looks. Oh, it's coming. I thought it will not come. Okay. और yellow की बारी yellow. But it's looking nice, yeah, not bad. But ये थोड़ा I guess messy हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये हर जगह फैल रहा है. See my multiple eyeshadows everywhere. I am such a multicolored person today, but I'm really loving it, yeah. Oh my god, this green and orange is like popping out so nicely, na? You can just use one tissue and you can create multiple looks. So this hack I'll give 10 upon 10. So let me know in the comments how do I look. I really like creating these looks for you guys. This multicolored looks. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. I hope you also enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And do comment which hack you like the most and which hack you will try. And also let me know if you want me to make more such hack videos, as I like making videos as I told you earlier. If you have not watched my earlier vlogs, I will link all the vlogs in the description box below. You can check it out, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all guys. Stay healthy, stay fit, and yeah, don't forget to wear a mask when you go out. Bye bye.